quick reading for January the 5th to January the 6th. Gemini. So we're probably looking at a long-term goal. Now we have the Page of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Hermit. Parang nagko-commit tayo, no? Either committing with the person or even committing to ourselves. No, meron tayong mga promises dito and parang sinasabi natin, ang tagal kong inantay, no? Ang tagal kong nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob, ang tagal kong nagkaroon ng clarity, ang tagal kong ang tagal kong inantay bago ako nabigyan ng break, no? And I think I'm going to do it right now, no? Kasi with the Page of Swords, it's either committing to a person, parang sinabi mo dito na, okay, no, ito na yung taong um, para sa akin and magiging seryoso na ako dito. Or committing something to yourself na siguro ito naman muna, no, the Three of Wands. Parang kailangan kong i-grab itong opportunity na dumadating sa akin ngayon kasi parang ang tagal kong natenga, no? And eto na yung time para, grab it and make the most out of it. So this is your quick reading, Gemini, for January the 5th to January the 6th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.